You have a problem, and you are not alone. You sit down to write your resume, and the blank page stares back at you. So, you turn to a machine for help. An AI resume builder seems like the perfect solution. It promises a polished professional document in minutes. It can fix your grammar. It suggests powerful action verbs. It can even scan a job description and sprinkle in the right keywords. This is a good start. It saves you time and effort, and that is a valuable thing. It gives you a clean, organized structure to build upon. But this convenience comes with a hidden cost. Your resume starts to sound like everyone else's. The AI tools are trained on the same vast sea of online data. They pull from the same pool of generic phrases and corporate buzzwords. The result is a document that is technically correct, but emotionally sterile. It lacks a voice. It lacks a soul. An AI can list your job duties. It can describe what you did in a role. For example, it might write, "Manage social media accounts for a local cafe." This is accurate, but it is also flat and uninspired. A machine cannot know the story behind those tasks. It doesn't know about the slow Tuesday morning when you had an idea for a new coffee special. It doesn't remember the feeling of pride when your quirky Instagram post went viral in your neighborhood, bringing in a line of customers that stretched out the door. That is your story to tell. Your resume should not be a simple list of tasks. It should be a collection of mini-stories that illustrate your value. Think about a moment in one of your past jobs or projects where you made a difference. It does not have to be a monumental achievement. Small victories often tell the most compelling stories. Artificial intelligence is very good with words and patterns. It can suggest powerful phrases like significantly increased or dramatically improved. These sound impressive, but to a seasoned hiring manager, they are red flags. Why? Because they are vague. They lack the one thing that makes a claim believable: concrete proof. An AI cannot know the actual results of your work. It cannot verify the numbers. It is guessing, and a good recruiter can spot a guess from a mile away. Only you know the true impact you had. Your job is to become a detective of your own career. You must dig for the evidence. Go back through your old projects, emails, and performance reviews. Find the real, hard numbers that support your accomplishments. If you helped increase sales, by what percentage? If you made a process more efficient, how many hours did you save per week? If you trained new team members, how many people did you teach? Specificity is the foundation of credibility. AI is logical, but it lacks consciousness. It cannot understand human motivation. It can list your career history in chronological order, but it cannot explain the why behind your moves. Why did you switch from a marketing role to a data analysis course? Why did you decide to leave a large corporation to join a small, unknown startup? These are not random events. They are choices you made based on your interests, your values, and your ambitions. Employers are deeply curious about this. They want to hire people who are intentional about their careers. Your resume and cover letter offer a chance to connect the dots for the reader. Do not just present a timeline of jobs, present a journey of purpose. A hiring manager looking at a resume with seemingly unrelated experiences might get confused. They might see you as someone who is unfocused, but you can change that perception by explaining your reasoning. A single, well-crafted sentence can transform a confusing career path into a compelling story of deliberate growth and exploration. The video is a small extract from a chapter in the book, CV and Resume Strategies for Executives and Promotion Seekers. You can get your copy from a link in the video description section. An AI can generate a list of skills. It can populate your resume with terms like Python, Adobe, Photoshop, content marketing. But a list of skills is just a list of nouns. It doesn't tell the story of how you acquired those abilities. Did you learn Python from a demanding university course, a weekend online boot camp, by building a personal project from scratch? Employers, especially good ones, do not just hire for the skills you have today. They hire for your potential to learn the skills they will need tomorrow. They want to see that you are a learner. Showing your learning journey is a powerful way to stand out. It demonstrates curiosity, resilience, and a growth mindset. Everyone loves a good story. The story of learning something new is universally relatable. It often involves a challenge, a struggle, and an eventual breakthrough. Section 6. The culture connection. Showing you belong. AI tools are getting very good at tailoring resumes. They can scan a job description, suggest specific keywords to improve ATS match. This is a useful technical trick. It helps you get through the first digital gatekeeper. However, it does nothing to address the human gatekeeper, the hiring manager looking for someone who will fit in with their team. A machine cannot understand company culture, unspoken values, communication style, personality of a team. Researching company culture is your human homework. This goes far beyond the About Us page. You need to dig deeper. Read interviews with company leaders. Watch their conference talks on YouTube. Look up potential teammates on LinkedIn. See what they talk about or share. Read employee reviews on sites like Glassdoor. Focus on work environment. Get a feel for the place. Fast-paced and collaborative, quiet and independent. Section 7. More than words. Proving your soft skills. Any AI can sprinkle your resume with popular soft skills. Team player, strong communicator, problem solver, detail-oriented. They are easy to add. These words have become so overused that they have lost most of their meaning. They are empty claims without evidence. A hiring manager reading these phrases on a resume will simply ignore them. Section 8. The human edge. A bank of irreplaceable qualities. Beyond stories and numbers, there are fundamental human qualities that AI can never replicate. These are the traits that relate to your character, your values, and your unique perspective on the world. Integrating these into your resume can feel challenging, but they are often the deciding factor in a close hiring decision. One of the most important is judgment. AI does not have values. It cannot make a difficult ethical choice. You can show your judgment with a short, subtle example. For instance, identified a critical bug in our new software release and advocated for a 24-hour delay to fix it, preventing a negative experience for over 1,000 customers. This shows integrity and a commitment to quality over speed. Another uniquely human quality is your authentic voice. Section 9. Your next move. From AI draft to human masterpiece. We have covered a lot of ground. AI can be a helpful starting point, a tool for organizing your thoughts and polishing your grammar. But it has limits. A great resume must be infused with the human touch. It needs your stories to give it life, your verifiable results to give it credibility, your authentic voice to make it memorable. Your resume is a self-portrait. Use technology for the mechanics, but you must be the master of the message. Weave your personal narrative, show not just what you did, but why it mattered. Dig for the real numbers and specific outcomes that prove your impact. Take one small step today.